because their friends on Facebook do that.
You wouldn't trust, like, you wouldn't trust that way, but I mean, why would he, I don't know. It'd be interesting,
But he
doesn't quite sound right, but,
no, but they're gone. They have gone. They're disappeared.
But you know yourself, when 4 lads there, they have to shoot most of them in one night because they'd be gone.
Oh, yeah, but we shot. But there's probably stags. They're probably stags. There's probably some spikies too. Because he said there was like 12 or 14 stags and half a dozen spikies every day. But he said, "I'm going over your fence." I said, "Yeah, I know." I said, "You complained to me about it." And I said, "We shot the spiky out of the mob one night, a black one." And I said, "My same one we shot." I said, "I know Tori reckons she's been going for more than shooting one." And
it could be right.
And they're not seen on the hill anymore. Like we seen 2 spikies the other day when we went through last Friday night on the same hill. But no stags, nothing else. And in the paddock where they come into, the night where the big beef was, the shot the black one, we've come back down there every night, the last 3 Friday nights, and I've put the thermite. There hasn't been a deer in those paddocks coming back, or going to the pivot.
But even if they shot 7 or 8,
yeah,
that's probably shot what was there.
Anyway, he was busy there, and we worked out.
Well, it's going to happen.
I said, well, he said, we're bloody looking up. He said, we had 52 stags on this place this last 12 months. I've got different cameras.
The problem is, it's like what you blokes say, if you don't shoot them, eventually that's what ends up happening. And it's the same where he is. You said his boss doesn't want.
Righto guys, I'm not sure if you can hear, it's a little bit windy out here today, but we're at Brumbys Creek and we're going to be fishing the river. But I've been to this shop in Longford. It's called Webb Hunting and Fishing. Should go there. You just ask them a question. They'll hook you up straight away with whatever you want. They've got heaps of gear there for fishing, hunting, anything you want. They have it. Go there. I'll put the link down in the description below. But anyway, we got this lure here, a Rapala from Webb's. I'll just open that bad boy up and show you right now. I just have to talk a little bit louder because I'm not sure if the wind's coming through on the thing. But that's it right there. We're going to be trying that today, see how that goes. I reckon that'll go pretty well for the browns. And then we've got these. They're also from Webb's. That I reckon they will be gold, but we'll try them out. Yeah, as I said, go down in the link in the description. Make sure you're gonna ask Webb's anything. They'll hook you straight up, give you the answer to it straight away. Anyway, we'll try these ones out as well, see how they go, and we'll get to know when we got a fish. Righto, so we're just at Brumbys Creek here today. Says we can catch rainbow trout.
Or brown trout.
Or brown trout. So hopefully we can get some of them, but it should be good to catch a fish today. Hopefully we can get one.
Go.
Right guys, so this is the first cast with the little Celta that we bought from Webb's. Remember about the link? First cast with it. Says we pull up a trout. Don't reckon it's the first cast, but
Imagine if we did.
it looks like it's fine. Yeah, that would be good for the first cast. It looks like it's beautiful. Can't really cast it that far because this river's so fast flowing and it's so windy out here. But it's spinning nicely. Clip on there so we can change lures sometimes. See that? Anyway, we'll see you when we've caught a trout, hopefully. Righto guys, so I took the little Celta off because it didn't seem to be working all too that well. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the fish are just not on the bite or what. But anyway, we got this one that I also got from Webb's, and we will put that on and give that one a try and see how that goes.
And also, we also bought these clip things that you can just easy clip on. And it's just so
And they
easy.
also stop your line from getting knotted because they have a little swivel on them. These ones are a fraction too big. I should have got some small ones, but I couldn't find any small ones.
I've got some small ones in my tackle box.
Oh, doesn't matter.
And I'm using the Tassie Devil, a small.
Yeah, he's gonna see how that goes because I wonder how Tassie Devil would go in here. Anyway, try that out and we'll see you guys later.